Guys, we are now going to the rice field again. This would be the day 2. Yeah, this is my day 2, going to the rice field to tilt it. That area again, same area, but different rice field. I think I took a video on the last day, on my first day, wherein I think I recorded those rice fields that I need to tilt. So guys, stay tuned. And God bless to all of us. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all of us. And I hope you're enjoying your I hope you're not busy watching my videos, because honestly my video is just a waste of time. So I hope you're watching my videos during your free time, so that at least it's your free time or rest day, something like that. We are now going to tilt it again in preparation for rice planting. Although it is very early, yeah, it is. Although it is very early to this month to tilt the rice field in preparation for rice plantation, but I think it is better to tilt the rice field so that first, today is I don't have any work because I am unemployed. I'm just a third year dropout of college, so I'm unemployed, so I don't have any work here. So to help my parents, tilting the rice fields is a good help, a great help already for the family, because planting rice in our hometown, in our barangay is our national, it is our main job. It is farming here. That's why if you search the Maligkong rice terraces, if you search it in any what do you call that, in any, I think in any social media platforms, then it will pop up the beauty of Maligkong rice terraces. So this is the Carabao, but that's not the Carabao that we are using. We are going to use Sorry guys, in my last video. So this is the, I think this is the rice field that we first tilt on our first day of tilting on this area, because I think I have this is day 3 already in all of tilting rice field. This is my day 3 on today's season. Day 1 is in that area, in this area, but day 2 here, I think that's last week on Friday, I think Friday or Thursday last week, this, and I tilt also in that area up there. We'll go, I'll show you what we have just done. So this is what we have tilt. Oh. So this is, I think we will tilt this rice field, but I don't know if there's enough water supply, then I will tilt this. I think it is hard. This is hard because there's no enough water here. Because yesterday is the only day, I think, in this June, in the month of June. Today is the only day, yesterday is the only day that it rained. That's why this rice field has some water. So anyways, last week, this is because I have just said last week that I have tilt for at least 4 rice fields. So the first rice field is, I just showed you that area where we passed by, and the second rice field is this area. That area it was cleaned by my mother also, the surroundings, because my mother will plant rice seedlings there, or rice paddings. And then these two, this one and this one on the right, and this one, that is what we have just tilt last week. So today we will tilt this one here. Yeah, this one. Then we will go here, I think in this area, and then there, and then there, and then this and this. But I think that area only, that one there, and then that up there, down there, and then this one is what we will tilt today, I hope. I hope I would be able to tilt this. But I'll try. So guys, I think that's it. I'll end part 1 here. I'll update you later on the part 2, because I need to minimize, although I can only upload up to 15 minutes, but I'm having a hard time uploading 15 minutes, because 15 minutes means 3 GB, more than 3 GB, and I'm just using my data. And here in our barangay, there's the internet is poor, so I'm having trouble. Actually, I only uploaded yesterday. I mean, not yesterday, just a while ago. 4 o'clock AM, I just uploaded my day 2 of tilting, in which I have tilt that rice field there, and down there the other one. Just yesterday I just finished, but I'm uploading that video for 3 days already. So yesterday is the last day. So I think if I upload many 15 minutes and many parts, then I'm having a trouble or a delayed time in uploading. So guys, I'll update you later on. I'm just going to get the Carabao up there, just up there.